The purple and pink ones are made with something called red dye 3. Consumer Reports and others say studies show the chemical can cause cancer in animals.
This reaction is an excellent way to demonstrate how oxygen is necessary for combustion, and it's also the only thing to do with Peeps. Is this liquid causing the Peeps to burn at a greater intensity? This reaction involves the production of oxygen by combining a liquid containing sodium, hydrogen, chlorine, and oxygen with a liquid that contains hydrogen and oxygen. The Peeps have a high amount of sugar or sucrose. When sucrose burns, it undergoes a combustion reaction, producing carbon dioxide and water. The black you see forming is because sucrose is also decomposing into carbon and water. Because our atmosphere is not pure oxygen with only 21% of the air containing oxygen, putting the Peeps into the oxygen gas produced from this reaction allows for a more intense reaction. It should be noted that the other products formed in the reaction between the two liquids are sodium chloride and water, but they remain as a solution. This reaction is an excellent way to demonstrate how oxygen is necessary for combustion.